How to check any laptop battery health. Press Win plus R. Type CMD to enter. Type to power CFG battery report to enter. Copy this HTML link. Open browser and paste it. Open calculator. Full charge capacity divided by design capacity times 100. My laptop battery health 74.96%.